Every process begins where nature meets intention.
Precision starts long before machines awaken.
Each fruit is chosen, not taken. Human rhythm drives agricultural scale. Gravity becomes the first conveyor. Order is established at the source. Mechanical strength meets organic weight. Movement signals the next stage.
Security protects quality.
Harvest consolidates into flow.
Quality is confirmed before travel.
Distance demands preparation.
Controlled motion preserves the harvest. The journey to transformation begins. Destination narrows.
Re-arrival is accounted for.
The factory reveals its pathways. Automation directs flow.
Scale defines modern food production.
Thousands of movements, one coordinated system.
Raw materials pause before transformation.
For volume. Manual effort hands off to machines. Flow replaces stillness.
Engineering surrounds the product.
Oversight ensures consistency. Processing officially begins. Direction becomes destiny. Cleanliness is the first transformation. What nature brings is carefully removed. Mechanical touch replaces manual labor. Purity is confirmed by repetition. Air replaces time.
Moisture is managed precisely. Order emerges from volume.
Vision becomes measurement. Protects consistency. Uniformity simplifies processing.
Human judgment remains essential.
Nothing is wasted.
Preparation is complete. The real transformation begins. Flow is controlled before force is applied. Precision replaces chance. Consistency feeds efficiency. Force is carefully measured.
The harvest becomes liquid.
Every component finds its path. Every component finds its path.
Purity is refined in layers.
Gravity assists efficiency.
Production is always measured. Stability is engineered. Storage buffers momentum. Scale multiplies repetition. Nothing leaves unused. Refinement continues. The foundation is complete. Numbers confirm reliability. Safety is achieved through precision heat. Time and heat work together. Stability is locked in quickly.
Flavor is preserved scientifically.
Nature is restored after control. Uniformity is enforced. Texture becomes predictable. Volume awaits automation.
Sterility is continuously verified.
Machines communicate silently.
Infrastructure multiplies output. Automation amplifies human design.
Every decision is instantaneous. Logic governs motion. The factory senses itself. Sanitation runs without pause. Cleanliness is automated. Production resumes seamlessly. Automation absorbs fluctuation. Humans still supervise perfection. Distribution is intelligent. Reliability is designed. Every second is recorded. Automation. Automation hands off to precision. Precision defines the final form. Alignment prevents error. Containers are purified before contact. Volume is measured precisely. Accuracy ends the action. Verification is immediate. Identity joins the product. Branding meets precision.
Eyes never blink.
Traceability is permanent. Consistency is protected. Sweetness is quantified. Appearance reflects controta. Safety is verified invisibly. Time confirms purity. Acidity defines balance. Approval unlocks movement.
Flavor is confirmed by experience.
Information follows every bottle. Standards allow no compromise. Quality feeds momentum. Testing gives way to distribution. The product prepares to travel. Packaging gives structure to volume. Precision protects the product. This is preparation. Traceability scales up. Automation builds stability. Inventory rests under control. Protection is applied in layers. Timing defines delivery. Distribution takes shape. The cycle nears completion.
And this is how modern factories produce Saudi orange juice from start to finish.
Responsibility closes the loop.
Scale, precision, and contin.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.